lovely. So in today's video I'm showing you how I make my girl's favorite dish, which is this pasta. It's the chicken alfredo pasta, and I put a little bit of vegetable just because I'm trying to get them to eat a lot more vegetables. I mean, it wasn't much because I know my daughter is always very picky when it comes to eating vegetable and all that, so I make sure I don't put too much. Guys, not only is this meal delicious and so easy to make and super fast, it is also very affordable. Now the chicken breast, guys, I got it from Walmart. It was about $7.05 and it came with 3 chicken breasts, and I only used 2 for the girls. And here I'm just seasoning my chicken, and I'm using the curry powder, which already finished. I need to get a new one. I used a little bit of ginger powder, I used onion powder, I used my all-purpose seasoning. I also used the Cajun, I think that's what they call it, Cajun seasoning for a little bit of zest, a little bit of tasty Cajun tasty something. I love it, and I just mix it like that, and it just gives me a good flavor. And of course I'll put it in the fridge, so that it can marinate and touch the chicken inside very well. Now for my pasta, I'll go ahead and boil my pasta, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt. It looks like I'm adding a lot, but really isn't really too much. And I would just go ahead and mix it all in, make sure it touches everywhere. I'm gonna taste the water because that's how I know if the salt really got into it. Now I love to add bacon, but this bacon though, I wasn't too sure. I was looking at it, it was looking at me. I smelled it and I smelled something funny, and I said no, we're not gonna do this today. I just put it in the trash. Now after the chicken has sat in the fridge for some time, now I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with my frying.
It's easier than falling. It's easier than falling. Maybe we should slow it down. It's easier than talking.
Now after the chicken has cooked for some time and is starting to change color, I'm gonna go ahead and add my peas and carrots. That's the vegetable I was talking about. It's a little bit of vegetable, it's not too much, so that will work for her or for them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the star of the show. Now after the chicken and the vegetable are cooked for a bit, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the star of the show, which is our classical extra creamy something alfredo. I love that sauce. Now there's a lot of companies or brands that do all these sauce, but my 2 favorites are this classical and ragu. I believe it's ragu, I'm not sure, but if you have any one that tastes really good, let me know in the comment section below, please. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my pasta and drain all the water out. And I like to cook my pasta fairly soft, very soft actually, because of my second daughter, because she doesn't have all her teeth just yet. So she has to, we have to accommodate, we have to accommodate to her too. Okay, so she doesn't feel left out because she loved the heck out of this pasta. Just watch till the end, you'll see how this girl is chopping, correct chopping. Okay, but yeah, that's all I do. It's very easy. And then after that, I'm just gonna go back and add it to the mixture, mix everything together, to the alfredo, of course, mix everything together, and it's just gonna be delicious. Now if you like shrimp, I would say add shrimp. I personally, when I do it for myself, I go ahead and add shrimp, but my kids don't really eat shrimp, so that's why I do it like that. Mommy. Bacon and shrimp. Say yummy. Yeah, yummy. Good girl. Give me 5. Good job, mama. Say yummy. Say yummy. Yummy. Say yummy in my tummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy in my tummy.